With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question a matrix is given A, okay, it is omega 0, 0 and omega, okay, where omega is the cube root of unity, okay, it is given to us in the question. Then what is A raised to power 100 equals to, okay, we need to find the value of A raised to power 100 and A matrix it is given to us, that is here omega 0, 0 and omega, okay, so we need to find the value of this expression, okay. So it can be written as here omega and 1 0 0 1, okay, both are same. This is the another way of writing the above equation, okay. And here A is equals to omega. This is what identity matrix I, okay. I will tell you the reason why I have changed this, okay. In the next step we need to find the value of A raised to power 100. Now we can easily get the value. How? Just give the power here omega raised to power 100 and identity matrix also raised to power 100. It is very much easy as compared to this step. Here we cannot find A raised to power 100. We need to give 100 to this 100 power to this matrix, okay. So this is much easier way. That's why we have taken omega common and then change it into identity matrix, okay. That was the explanation part. Now let's move further, okay. Cube root of unity, it is given that omega is cube root of unity. Let me explain you this concept. Cube root of unity means 1, okay. Unity represents 1, so cube root, so omega cube, its value is 1. This is given to us in the question and this is the property of omega, okay. Omega is the cube root of unity means omega cube value is 1, okay. So let's write this here. A raised to power 100, it will be equals to, it can be written as omega raised to power 3, here 33, okay. And we need to add one more omega. We need to multiply one more omega to make it 100, okay. And identity matrix raised to power 100 is I itself, okay. Look here, 3 multiplied with 33, it will be 99 and plus 100, okay. All the thing is same. So it can be written as what I said, omega cube value is 1. So 1 raised to power 33 is what? 1 itself. So omega and I. So this is the value of A raised to power 100. Okay, so now look here, we got omega I in RHS. Here also we are having omega I, okay. So what I can conclude from this, I can conclude that A raised to power 100, it is equals to omega I. Omega I is what? A. So this value is A. So we are having that value of A raised to power 100 is A itself. So let's match options. Option 1 will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.